or no investigation of your emergency?
City Center Drive, Creekwood Apartments. There's a man with a gun over here.
Okay, do you have the full address there?
22294 Creekwood Apartments, City Center Drive.
Okay, do you see the person with the gun?
Yes, he was right in front of my complex. He's walking towards us. I got in a car with my friend.
What did he?
Pointed a silver.
I'm sorry, what did he do with the gun?
At us.
You pointed it at
Silver? Yes, and he had extra clips in his bag and he's walking towards us.
How long ago did?
Gun in his hand.
Okay, how long ago did he point it at you?
Like seconds ago, less than a minute ago. He's walking down the street.
Do you know this person?
City Center Drive. No, he's a complete stranger. He looks like maybe homeless, maybe on drugs. Hispanic male, 5'6".
How old is he?
He's late 20s, early 30s. Has a scraggly beard, scraggly black hair, green shirt, combat.
Hold on. He has a full beard?
Scraggly beard, maybe an inch or two long.
Okay. And this skinny heavy set?
He has what?
Is he skinny heavy set? Okay. What's he wearing top to bottom?
He's wearing an army green shirt. He's wearing black pants with work boots.
Any other weapons on him besides the handgun?
He had a silver handgun with extra clips inside of a black shoulder bag that he's carrying.
How do you know that he has extra clips?
We saw him because we were turning around and our headlights shined on him, and that's when he pointed the gun at us.
What makes you think he's
in the bag?
Okay, what makes you think he's under the influence?
He was just talking to himself, like kind of saying random stuff, like talking to himself. Maybe.
You know what he was saying?
No, I don't know what he was saying. We didn't
okay. And he left on foot?
He did. He's walking down towards Safeway now.
On City Center?
On City Center, yes.
Okay, do you still see him?
No, not at the moment. We lost visual because we had to turn around.
Okay.
He went into the Safeway parking lot as we were driving back down the street. I saw him walking into it with the bag across his body. And the gun was in his hand.
He still has the gun in his hand?
Yes. Yes, it's a silver 9mm.
Hey, I got somebody down over here. Hold on. There, a old City Hall parking structure. Is that guy wearing green? This guy right here. What's going on, man? Could be him right here. This guy right here. What's going on, man? Good. Where are you coming from? Huh? Where's your house at? What's the address? Right where? Okay, but what's the address? I know the address of my house. Hey, do not move. Is that him? Okay. Hey, do not move! Yeah. Hey, do not grab! Quit grabbing! Hey, quit grabbing! Stop! George 370, he's not complying. He's walking away from us towards the old City Hall parking structure. George 37, we have shots fired. Shots fired. We're going to be at the back of the Zabalos building. We have one subject down. He's not moving. All officers are okay. We're going to move up. We can get more units to the back of the Zabalos building. 37, if you could start fire, have them stage in the Safeway parking lot for now.
Where?
This guy right here.
Oof.
What's going on, man? Good. Where are you coming from? Huh? Where's your house at? What's the address? Right where? Okay, but what's the address? I know the address of my house.
Yeah, that's him. That's him. That's him.
Is that him?
Yeah, don't move.
Hey, do not move!
This is the Zephyr building, right?
Yeah. Hey, do not grab! Quit grabbing! Hey, quit grabbing! Stop! George 17.
Someone come over here with me. We're contacting one matching description.
Quit grabbing. Hey, quit grabbing.
Hey, show me your hands now. Hey, he's got a gun in his hand.